Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news from HMD Secure. They've just unveiled a brand new device called the HMD Terra M, and it's not your typical phone. This is a compact, ultra-rugged smart feature phone built for the toughest jobs out there. Think of it as a communication tool for people working in demanding and even dangerous environments. This launch follows HMD's release of the European-built Zello XE, and it really solidifies their push into providing secure, long-lasting mobile solutions for governments, defense forces, and critical infrastructure operators. The Terra M is set to be available in the first quarter of 2026. Now, you might be thinking, a feature phone. But hold on, this isn't just a basic device. While it's not a full-blown smartphone, the Terra M comes loaded with pre-installed, enterprise-grade apps for secure communication and navigation. We're talking about services like Zello for push-to-talk, Threema for secure messaging, and OsmAnd for offline navigation. It can even be managed with SODI Mobile Control. This makes it a specialized tool that is simple and durable, but can still integrate into professional communication systems that usually need smartphones. As you'd expect, this thing is built like a tank. The HMD Terra M is engineered to meet military durability standards and has IP68 and IP69K protection. It can survive drops from up to 1.8 meters, which is almost 6 feet. It features a 2.8-inch touchscreen that you can actually use with gloves on, which is a huge plus for frontline workers. It also has programmable push-to-talk and emergency keys, a super loud speaker for noisy work sites, and an impressive standby time of up to 10 days. Under the hood, it's powered by a Qualcomm Dragonwing chipset and supports modern connectivity like 4G, Volt, and Wi-Fi. Plus, HMD is promising 5 years of quarterly security updates, which is fantastic for a device like this. It's clearly aimed at industrial teams, transport crews, and emergency responders who need instant, reliable communication without the distractions or complexities of a modern smartphone. To support these teams, HMD is also rolling out some mission-ready accessories. This includes a stackable multi-charging cradle that can juice up to 10 devices at once, perfect for shift-based work. There's also a durable belt clip holster for easy access in the field. According to HMD CEO Jean-François Barrel, the Terra M is a significant step in establishing HMD Secure as a new force in mission-critical mobility. Along with the Zello XE, it shows HMD is serious about building a dedicated ecosystem for secure, European-built technology. So, what are your thoughts on the HMD Terra M? Is this the future of specialized professional communication? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this update, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news. See you in the next one.